Nature provides a bounty of foods packed with skin-loving nutrients. Among these, avocados, blueberries, and salmon stand out as true superfoods for radiant skin. Each of these foods boasts unique properties that contribute to a healthy, youthful complexion. Avocados, rich in healthy fats, vitamins C and E, act as internal moisturizers, keeping your skin supple and hydrated. Blueberries, bursting with antioxidants, protect your skin from environmental damage and premature aging. Salmon, a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, reduces inflammation and promotes skin elasticity. Incorporating these superfoods into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. Simple swaps and additions can make a world of difference. Instead of reaching for a sugary snack, grab a handful of blueberries. Add slices of avocado to your salad for a creamy, skin-boosting boost. Choose baked salmon over fried foods for a dose of healthy fats. Let's explore the individual benefits of each of these superfoods and discover how to easily incorporate them into your daily diet. Avocado, the creamy green fruit, is a powerhouse of nutrients that benefit not only our overall health, but also our skin. This delicious fruit is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, particularly oleic acid, which plays a crucial role in maintaining skin's elasticity and hydration. These healthy fats help to keep the skin supple, preventing wrinkles and fine lines. Avocados are also an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals, generated by sun exposure, pollution, and other environmental factors, can break down collagen, leading to premature aging. Vitamin C helps to neutralize these free radicals, keeping the skin looking youthful and radiant. Furthermore, avocados contain vitamin E, another potent antioxidant that works synergistically with vitamin C to protect the skin. Vitamin E also supports skin cell regeneration and helps to maintain a healthy skin barrier, preventing moisture loss. This combination of vitamins and healthy fats makes avocados a true superfood for maintaining skin's elasticity, hydration, and overall health. Don't let their small size fool you. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, making them mighty protectors of our skin. These tiny fruits are particularly rich in anthocyanins, a group of antioxidants that give blueberries their vibrant blue color and offer impressive skin benefits. Anthocyanins combat oxidative stress caused by free radicals, protecting the skin from damage and premature aging. Free radicals generated by sun exposure, pollution, and other environmental factors can damage skin cells and break down collagen, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. The antioxidants in blueberries neutralize these free radicals, helping to maintain skin's elasticity and youthful appearance. Moreover, blueberries contain vitamin C, which contributes to collagen production, keeping the skin firm and resilient. Collagen is a protein that provides structural support to the skin, and its production naturally declines with age. Consuming vitamin C-rich foods like blueberries can help to boost collagen synthesis, promoting a more youthful complexion. By incorporating blueberries into your diet, you're providing your skin with an army of antioxidants that fight off environmental damage and promote a healthy, radiant glow. Whether enjoyed fresh, frozen, or in smoothies, these tiny fruits are a powerful ally in your quest for beautiful skin. Salmon, a fatty fish known for its rich flavor and numerous health benefits, is a true superstar when it comes to skin health. This delicious fish is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which are essential for maintaining skin structure, elasticity, and moisture. These healthy fats help to strengthen the skin's barrier function, preventing moisture loss and keeping the skin hydrated. Omega-3 fatty acids also possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce redness, irritation, and inflammation associated with skin conditions like acne and eczema. By calming inflammation, omega-3s contribute to a clearer, calmer complexion. Furthermore, salmon contains astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that gives salmon its characteristic pink color. Astaxanthin protects the skin from UV damage, which is a major contributor to premature aging. Studies have shown that astaxanthin can help to reduce wrinkles, age spots, and other signs of sun damage. Including salmon in your diet is a delicious way to nourish your skin from within, providing it with the essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds it needs to thrive. Whether grilled, baked, or smoked, salmon is a versatile and flavorful addition to any meal and a valuable ally in your journey to radiant skin. Avocado toast, a simple yet satisfying meal or snack, provides the perfect canvas to showcase the creamy goodness of avocados and their skin-loving benefits. Here are 3 delicious variations to elevate your avocado toast game. Classic avocado toast. Toast a slice of whole grain bread to your liking. Mash half an avocado with a fork and spread it evenly on the toast. Sprinkle with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice for a refreshing touch. Mediterranean avocado toast. Toast a slice of whole grain bread and drizzle with olive oil. Mash half an avocado with chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, and red onion. Spread the mixture on the toast and top with crumbled feta cheese and a sprinkle of dried oregano for a burst of Mediterranean flavors. Spicy sriracha avocado toast. Toast a slice of whole grain bread. Mash half an avocado with sriracha sauce to your desired level of heat. Spread the mixture on the toast and sprinkle with sesame seeds and chopped cilantro for a spicy and flavorful kick. Start your day with a refreshing and antioxidant-rich blueberry smoothie bowl that will nourish your skin from the inside out. This vibrant bowl is packed with blueberries, banana, and Greek yogurt, providing a delicious combination of antioxidants, fiber, and protein. Ingredients: 1/2 frozen banana, 1/4 cup almond milk, or any milk of your choice. Toppings: granola, fresh berries, chia seeds, unsweetened coconut flakes. Instructions: 1. Combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth and creamy. 2. Pour the smoothie into a bowl and decorate with your favorite toppings. Tips: feel free to experiment with different toppings like chopped nuts, seeds, or fresh fruit. Enjoy a healthy and flavorful dinner with this easy-to-make seared salmon recipe. The combination of lemon and dill complements the salmon's natural flavors, while the searing method helps to retain its moisture and nutrients. Ingredients: 1 salmon fillet, about 6 ounces, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 lemon sliced, fresh dill sprigs, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Pat the salmon fillet dry with paper towels and season with salt and pepper. 1. Heat the olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. 1. Place the salmon fillet skin side down in the hot skillet and cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until cooked through. 1. Squeeze fresh lemon juice over the cooked salmon and garnish with fresh dill sprigs. Tips: for extra flavor, add a tablespoon of butter to the skillet in the last minute of cooking. Serve the seared salmon with a side of roasted vegetables, or a fresh salad for a complete and nutritious meal. As we've explored, the journey to radiant skin begins with the food we consume. Incorporating superfoods like avocados, blueberries, and salmon into our diet provides our skin with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive, protecting it from damage, promoting elasticity, and maintaining a youthful glow. These superfoods are not just delicious additions to our meals, but also powerful allies in our quest for healthy, radiant skin. By making conscious food choices and embracing the power of these superfoods, we can nourish our skin from within and unlock its natural radiance. When we nourish our bodies with wholesome, nutrient-rich foods, our skin reflects that inner health. These simple dietary changes can make a world of difference in the health and appearance of our skin.